Hey everybody, my name is Rahisha and I am here to talk about the 7-day water detox. Now, I've been with Coach Gessie and the Detox Now ever since 2020. I had a baby. I battled with fibroids lots of years of my life, and the Detox Now has significantly helped me in my journey to remain free of fibroids and to walk in healing. Now, most recently, I decided to do the 7-day water fast, as I said, and I'm telling you, I had gained so much weight after my third baby, and the weight just wouldn't get off. It was so stubborn, especially the belly area. It's like you stretched me out and it didn't want to go back in. But anyway, so I did this 7-day water fast, and I'm telling you, I did my DeToxHer along with my PowerHer, and the results were amazing. I lost 15 pounds and 3.5 inches off my waistline. So I'm just so excited, and I'm telling you now, if you have not done the water fast, get on it, girl.